farms here in Kenosha County. Standing in the ring is representation of all of those farms. Dairy farming is an extremely important industry to the state of Wisconsin, and we're very, very fortunate to have 24 hardworking farm families here that support the dairy industry day in and day out with the work that they do. At this time, as I recognize the farm, if you would come forward and be recognized. The Andrew Dorn Farm, Country View Farm, Crane Dairy LLC, Daniels Dairy Farm 2, DeBell Dairy LLC, Edmonds Dairy, Elfring Farms LLC, Eppers Farm, the Gauger Holst Farm, Green Hill Swiss Farm LLC, Howell Brothers LLC, Kirchner Dairy, Loyce Family Farm, Loyce Holsteins LLC, Mighty Grand Dairy, Productions Unlimited LLC, Ryder Rolling Acres, Sporling Farms, Sunnyview Dairy Farm LLC, the site of our 2015 Dairy Breakfast, Eulenhags Landlocked Acres LLC, Voss Family Farm, Weiss Way Dairy Farm, and the Wilson Family Farm. At this time, we're inviting all of them over to the Dairy Promotions booth for a breakfast, or for a lunch, that is put on from the Kenosha County Dairy Promotions Committee. We also, I had breakfast on the mind, we wanted to acknowledge the next farms that will be hosting the Dairy Breakfast. 2016, Crane Dairy LLC, and 2017, Daniels Dairy Farm 2. So as this generation of dairy farmers exit the ring, we're going to ask our futurity class to come in, which is the future farmers of Kenosha County. Let's give them a hand as they enter the ring.